how to make a video with pictures and music on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a video out of a picture using music on your TikTok account. So first of all, just open your TikTok, and after that just click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and after that just click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and from here you can upload a picture of your liking. Just click on upload and select a picture. Let's suppose I want to make a video out of this particular picture. Just select that picture and choose a music of your choice. As you can see that the music has already been chosen over here. So all you have to do, just click on next, and the TikTok will create a musical video of this particular picture on your device, and just go ahead and post it in your account. So that is how you will be able to make a video with pictures and music on TikTok. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.